Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of Splashlings, and this is video part 2. As you can see, I have all the mermaids with orange hair. So in this video I have CC, Aquilina, Coralie and Aquilina. CC is the one with the purple tail, and Aquilina is this mermaid with the pink tail, and then Coralie is the mermaid with the blue tail, then Aquilina is this other mermaid with the pink tail, and this would make a nice addition to your Lego city for a more realistic underwater theme for your ocean. As you can see, these are beautiful toys to collect. This is from 2015 to 2016. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.